Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the email lock feature in WordPress Download Manager Pro. Before getting started, make sure WordPress Download Manager Pro is installed and activated on your website. To apply an email lock to a package, open an existing package or create a new one. Inside the package settings, navigate to the Lock Options tab. From the available lock types, select Email Lock. Once selected, the email lock settings will appear like this. First, enter a title for your email lock form, or use the default one. This title will be displayed to your visitors before they download the file. If you'd like to collect your visitors' names along with their email addresses, simply enable the Ask for Visitors Name option. Next, choose what should happen after the visitor submits the form. You have three options. Email download link sends the download link directly to the user's email address. Wait for approval. With this option, users must wait for an administrator to approve their download request before they can access the file. Administrators can review these requests by navigating to the Subscribers tab. Click on Subscribers, then go to the Email Lock section to view all pending requests. From there, you can approve or decline each request. Once a request is approved, the user automatically receives the download link via email. Instant Download and Email Download Link. This option combines both actions. The download starts immediately after the user submits the form, and a download link is also sent to their email address. If you only want to download instantly and skip the download link by email, that is also possible. You can also enter a custom message that will be displayed after the visitor submits the email lock form. Once you finish configuring the settings, click Update to save the package. Now, when you preview the package, you'll see the email lock form displayed as a modal with your custom title. After submitting the form, your custom confirmation message will appear according to the settings you've configured. If you'd like to collect additional information besides a visitor's name and email address, you can use the Advanced Custom Fields add-on. Let's activate the Advanced Custom Fields add-on where we already set up our email lock form to collect extra information. Now, in the email lock settings, you can see an Additional Fields drop-down section. Just select the email lock form we created with the help of Advanced Custom Fields add-on. Click on Update and preview the changes. Here you can see the additional fields for email lock. For detailed setup instructions, be sure to watch our Advanced Custom Fields tutorial. You can also connect popular email marketing services with email lock, such as Outreach, MailChimp, and others. This allows users to be automatically subscribed to your mailing lists whenever they download a file. For example, to connect MailChimp, please note WPDM MailChimp add-on is required. Simply select your MailChimp list and click Update. And make sure to check the WPDM MailChimp documentation for instructions on how to connect MailChimp with WordPress Download Manager. That's how you can set up and use the email lock feature in WordPress Download Manager Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.